Hello again. So, what we have done so far are just exercises to understand what's possible with just playing around with the exaggeration of the body masses. But now let's begin to do the real work. We're going to define the character design based on the needs of the story we want to tell. So, if you're watching this course, you're probably interested in storytelling. We can design characters for animation, video games, comics, or even a single illustration, but we have to have a story and define characters. We need to draw inspiration from that, and the design of our characters in such a way has to reflect the personality and the story behind it. Of course, we can't just write a story and define characters now during this course. It's a very long and difficult process that can take a lot of time. So, we're going to draw from the Greek mythology and create our unique versions of some of the gods and demigods there. So let's get started. I have chosen these 4 characters. We have Hercules. He's basically a very strong guy who could even match the strength of the gods. Also, he wasn't very smart, but he was very loyal and a good guy overall. He's basically the archetype of the hero. We also have Aphrodite, the goddess of beauty, love, and desire. She was extremely beautiful and basically represents the classic idea of female beauty. We have Hermes. He was basically the messenger for the other gods. He wasn't as strong as Hercules, but he was extremely fast and also extremely smart. Then we have Athena, the goddess of reason and warfare. Unlike Aphrodite, she was all about war. She was born full grown and wearing a set of armor. However, she was a force of good, representing wisdom and purity. Okay, so we have 4 different characters with 4 different personality traits that we can translate into shapes. Our goal is to design our characters in such a way that it reflects their personalities and their archetypes. We have the hero, we have the pretty girl, we have the fast and smart guy, and we also have Athena, which is a strong female character. So, let's get to work. On the next video, we'll start designing our first character, which is Hercules. So, see you there.